Hello, welcome to Popalong RC. Today it's the long-awaited event of the year for us. It's the Popalong, not GP, but the Popalong Rally.
Popalong Rally. This is here at the Millend track, the Popalong Rally, but it's the vintage rally because we're also running a vintage competition. So today we have got four-wheel drive 1/10 electric rally cars, but we're also running vintage two-wheel drive and vintage four-wheel drive today. But that's not all, boss.
What?
We have got down in the paddocks down there, we've got a chase your car around the RC car track, and we have also got another practice track for where we're going to have our Lunchbox race a little bit later on. It's a busy day, boss. Guess what?
What?
We did one video promoting this event.
We did.
And it's sold out.
It's sold out. Hopefully soon people will be arriving because it's really, really early. Although at the moment we've got a bit of good weather.
I can hear the birds.
You can hear the birds, but there is some rain on its way, unfortunately. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyway, should we go see what's going on?
Well, should we go open the gates for the peoples?
Let's go do that.
Let's do it.
Do the thing. I don't know if I'm going to do it. Rob, do you want to hand the rest of them?
So it's let me look at my watch. 9:13 in the morning, and we have got a lot of people here right now, haven't we? It is all going on.
It's a sellout, boss.
I know.
It is absolutely crazy. This is, of course, the 2025 Popalong RC Vintage Rally. I reckon it might be one of the biggest rally events of the year in the UK. We've got over 30 rally cars alone booked in. We've got another 40 plus booked in for vintage. It's a busy day, and it's safe. It's only just gone 9 o'clock, so we haven't even started yet.
Looking good. The track's drying out. I've had a bit of, you can see the passing clouds, but I think we're good. I
think from 10 o'clock it looks like it's going to be clear skies. But say, you were the first car on the track today, and you went out. What car did you go out with first thing this morning? Can you remember what that one was?
That was the YZ10. And that was good, and it was wet. Look, see, this is mega. The track's looking great. Anyway, it's a bit windy, so I don't think people. I ain't got my mic on, so I'm gonna.
I'll tell you what, you need to come and have a look at some of the other stuff we've got going on, because it's not just one track.
Come on. Right, I'm down at the little grass track here, which has proven to have been really popular. We've got a little bit of a big wheel race going on. We just had the raffle, plenty of prizes that have been won. So we are at the moment between heats and finals. We've got the walk around track over there, and obviously this one here. So it is all going on, but they're all gathering. They're having a little bit of a practice, which is good. Let's try and follow some around. So we got these two here. We've got the old Vanessa's Lunchbox there, the old Tamiya. Some buggies. What we got here? A Beetle. Couple of other little ones. That looks like an interesting car. I don't know. And we got the old Popalong wagon here. Right. So we're going to give them about a minute or so's warm up, and then we'll line them up, and I'll come back to you with a bit of a race. Right, back again, folks. We are now, this is the youngsters. These are the future of RC right here, and we've got all sorts going on here. So, are you all ready? To your marks, you're already there. Get set and go! Go then, go! Right, the orange Schumacher is in the lead. Looking good. This is a 5-lap race. It's one down. One down. He's away. We have a car that's over. Keep going. He nearly got me, but I let him off. It's fine. Okay, lap number 2. The orange Schumacher. Now, if he keeps it on his wheels, he's all good. He's just gone past that 6 wheel. Oh no! He's cut. I don't know what's going on here. Carry on. Don't worry, but I don't know who's winning now. I've got a clue, but keep going. I'm still going to stick with him. I think he's up. I think he's still up there. Okay, I'm going to go between these two here. Right, so the 6-wheeler. I think the 6-wheeler is now overtaken. I don't know. Anyway, wow, it's hitting me here. Right, last lap then, last lap. I don't know what's going on. I'm so confused, it's ridiculous. Kids, eh? Kids. Right, keep going. I think this 6-wheeler, I think they're doing it. And finished, well done. That was a good race. I'm going to go with the 6-wheeler on that one because I think that was pretty good. Well done.
Here's the race. The car is out again, but this time it is the legend that is Paul Land. Okay, so he's off out and around. This is the hard bit, it's the negotiating this jump, but he's flipped it over. Yeah, we're a flip. Oh, he's actually sprinting. He's off. Three, two, one, go. So this event here at Millend, it's not all about the racing. We've got some fun, we've got a barbecue, but we've also got an amazing raffle supported by a couple of local shops. We've got DMS who have provided some prizes. Redfin Models, what a legend. He's provided a number of prizes. Kyosho Europe, they've got us a couple of prizes as well. We've got
FTX Havoc.
That was from one of the club members here.
Yeah.
And then there's also some merch from Orca, from Millend. The raffle's
DMS.
massive.
Did we mention
There's
DMS?
probably about
Oh,
50 prizes, I reckon.
Oh, it's going to be...
Anyway, we've got to go draw the raffle.
Well, come on, let's go.
Let's go.
You know what? I've just stepped away and I'm just kind of taking this all in. And I am so happy with this. We've got all abilities. Boys, girls, old, young, you name it, everybody's here. And this, I think, sums up the world of RC, especially for us. This is absolutely brilliant. What a day this is so far. This is, we've still got finals to go on the main track, but this, what a laugh. I mean, there was grass on this track to start. Now look at it. This is how it should look after a race meeting. Look at that. But like I say, Millend, what a place. If you want to come and have a go. It is a great vibe here. Right, sorry to pull the camera out on you, Mark, here, but what car is this?
YZ10R25.
The YZ10R25, the Trick Bits car, is this correct?
Yes,
that is a nice car. That is a nice car. Apparently we might be running one. If Albie sees this video, he might let us borrow one. I don't know, for revival. We'll see. But you are going well today. It's looking very nice. Actually, you and Dave here. I haven't quite joined the party with mine, but you never know. But yeah, looking good, looking fast. Well, good luck.
Cheers, thank you.
Okay, a final two-wheel drive. Got Dave on pole, he's doing ever so well today. And away. Whoa, they are fast, these guys. Okay. We should have a good battle between first and second here. We've got Luke, the Tinkerbell O'Neill in second place there.
We've got a Cougar 1 in third and the RC 10 in fourth. Two more Cougars.
Looking good. Nice. Not much separating the field, but we're only one crash away from disaster, of course. Looking good. So these, oh, got hooked up. Okay, these three are very similar in pace. The grip is up, obviously the track's dried out. Now these two, oh, okay, we've got, okay, so we've got a lead change.
Dave drops to 2, Luke suffers and drops to 3. Racing looks hard.
Nice.
The three of them split by just a few yards as they come into the chicane section.
Right, okay, so we've got a change of leader. He's the fast guy, this fella.
So 1, 2 and 3, we can throw a net over the three of them. Dave looks up the inside.
Oh, okay, Luke comes through. Okay, these three are having a hell of a race here. Whoa, whoa.
Schumacher cars now out there, 1 and 2. Associated in 3.
Oh, Luke's over. What a shame.
Luke is over.
So we've got these two battling it out now. It could all change though. I mean, you're only one crash away from disaster, really.
Make it as wide as possible.
Okay.
He's experienced though, he knows his way around here.
Okay. Our leader's got away, but you got to push at this level, because if you don't, you won't win. But if you do, you might crash. That's kind of where we're at right now.
Schumacher pulled out front. He's holding his own.
Flying. It's going well.
He's pushing. They've got a little bit of a gap now from third and fourth.
Okay. He's away. Some back markers now. So.
1 and 2. Thank you very
Whoa.
much. The Schumacher Cougar,
Oh.
we've got to believe. Still leading. Dave sat there on his tail.
Still going strong. This guy is.
Close enough to challenge at the moment.
Okay, the back marker might come into play here.
But he's sat there waiting. And they've got
Okay.
another back marker with the big truck now. Oh, be careful, truck. That is the two leaders. Dave goes up the inside. So there's a bit of caution there. As they both negotiated that truck, Dave went inside, the Cougar went outside. Dave took the lead. So it's Dave out front with the associated car. Through the chicane one more time.
Okay, now Dave's through. Dave's through. Looking good. Look at these guys go. This is good. This is what we like. A good race here.
Luke has quietly been knuckling down.
Nice.
Plenty of speed in that car as well. Slot out of corners. So Luke's trying to bring himself into late contention again here. Oh, and seconds over. Is Luke going to get through? Not
Dave is away.
That's opened up the gap for Dave.
After 3 minutes 45 seconds.
And we've still got a minute and 15 to go. So
Looking nice. He's pulled out a bit of a lead from second place here. Looking very, very nice, very clean, very, very tidy driving from Dave. Dave is Pitman Dave, as you know we call him. Very accomplished driver. All he's got to do really now is just sit tight, go through the motions. Second place is in front of me. Oh, that's third place actually. Where's Dave gone?
all of this has played into Dave's
Here he
hands.
is. Dave's away. He really is away now.
He is out of here. He has just gone through fast loop control.
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh,
Over on his roof.
hurry up, get him. Okay. Whew, that was close. That was close. Well done, Marshall.
He got away with that one. But second's not far behind, and where is third? So
We've still got a hell of a race here. I think we've got about 10 seconds left. Maybe 15 seconds, something like that. Dave's still a... Whoa, wheelie. Little power wheelie there. Lovely job. Keep going, keep going. Yes. 1 and 2 and 3. Right. Okay. Okay, it could all change here. It could all change here. We've got a back marker, so this is important that they get through clean. He's just going to hang back. He's through. Lovely job, Dave. Lovely job. First and second. Good battle there. Well done. And then we got Luke, Mr. Yeti O'Neill, Tinkerbell in third. Great race. What a day. Now, this is our second year doing an event here at Millend, and I reckon this is the best one yet. What do you reckon?
Well, it's sold out, and do you know what? I'd had more fun before 10:30 this morning than I have all year with playing with cars. I mean,
Yeah.
the track down the bottom, the old dirt track, it's a little more than an oval, but what a laugh.
Do you know what I really enjoyed? I really enjoyed watching the youngsters having a go, having a bit of a laugh as well. And actually, the big wheel race, I'll give you that. That was a bit of a laugh, wasn't it? You took the win on that, didn't you?
Do you know what else I took the win on?
Go on, what?
I got the fastest time around the run around behind your car on the
Yeah,
RC
because
car
only you
track.
did it.
I would. Other people did it.
I
boss.
know,
Other
I did
people
see that.
did
I
it.
did see that, yeah.
But do you know what?
Go
It
on.
is a thing, and we just provided a space for it to be done.
Yeah, we
There
did.
you go.
Anyway, there you go. So we want to thank everybody for supporting us, coming along. We want to thank Rich, Mark, everybody else who's involved with the Millend club. Please support this club. It's absolutely fantastic. Great, friendly vibe. The moment at the weekends, check their website out. Get down here.